and Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Yay, blue!
Oh!
Let him go.
Look what it says, honey.
What does
I
it
told
say?
you.
What does it say, Isabel?
Okay, let me read it. Let me read it.
What did he say?
I see. I had a feeling about that.
What does it say, Isabel?
Cheapy. What does it say? What did he say? Oh.
Oh.
Don't put it.
Sound the words out.
Yeah, sound it, baby.
What is
Hey,
it? What's
what's
that
the next
letter?
word?
It's a B. It's a cursive, so it looks a little different.
Uh-huh.
Oh, keep going.
'Cause that's another B too.
What dice, mija? ¿Qué quiere decir?
And what's that one?
That's another. The last one is a Y. B-A-B-Y.
Why?
Oh,
B.
Oh, baby.
Uh-oh.
What does that mean?
Oh, baby.
What does that mean?
Oh, baby.
Who's gonna have a baby?
Auntie Camille.
She already has it.
She has one, but the gift was for Mommy and Daddy.
So,
who's having a baby?
You
Uh-oh.
are.
Uh-oh.
Ansel.
Uh-oh. You guys gonna have a sister or
brother or
a
sister.
brother.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, baby.
Gosh.
Van a tumbar a Ansel.
Yes.
Por eso anda tan chippy.
For real.
I said, mommy's expecting because she